Hey guys, this is Travis. I invited Lily to actually teach us how to make Korean food, which is kimchi pancakes. So since she's experienced and know how to make Korean food, I'm gonna let her take the role when it comes to ingredients. We're gonna head to Cub right now and we're gonna buy all the stuff that we need.
We're gonna come along. Cool Kads are gonna be at Cub getting groceries.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go. These bags right here.
There's the chopped ones here.
Oh, weird. I didn't know they sold that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure it's authentic.
Let's get let's get 4 of those. And then
Garlic.
yeah, let's get 1 of these. Okay, we're gonna make kimchi pancakes today. And then be like onion, and then you go like that, and then it's like boom, that'll put. So today we're gonna make kimchi pancakes. It's also called Kimcheejeon in Korean. And we're gonna use flour, an egg, an onion, kimchi. I'm gonna put some cut up green onions, and then we'll use this to fry it in. Done. You know, a lot of Korean cooking honestly is like eyeballing, and there isn't a lot of like set measurements. But so that said, you know, it's kind of like think about when you're making pancakes in the morning for yourself. You know, how many do you want to make? How much flour are you going to use? So I've just, since there's 4 of us here, and I'm sure you guys are going to eat a lot, I'm kind of starting off heavy. I think I put 2 cups of flour in here so far. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack a couple eggs in. You know, some people put eggs in, some people don't, but it always kind of makes them a little more fluffy and it sticks together.
That's crazy. I actually thought the eggs were the most important part.
Kimchi. So now, oh, and some salt and pepper too. In that corner. That's the way I roll. Then I'm gonna put some water in here. You know, mix it up, and literally it's like making regular pancakes, you know, in America we're used to. Flour, eggs, a little bit of pepper and salt. Now I'm gonna put, I cut this kimchi up already. I'm gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna take some of these onions that Mr. Ravi cut up. I'm gonna take a big handful, put them in here like this. Then I'm gonna take a big handful of these, put them in here, and I'm gonna mixy. Yeah, it is not rocket science. I'm gonna put a little bit more in here. So after this, we'll need a big pan, and we're gonna put some oil, and we'll start frying these babies up. Are you excited?
I am.
When was the last time you had a kimchi pancake?
It's been a long time ago. I don't even think when we went to the restaurant we didn't have any either.
Yeah. That's interesting. So I like to use a little bit of Chamgireum. This is one we just picked up as Cub. That was the only one, but usually you can find like a Korean brand at H Mart or your local Korean grocery store. But this one suffices in a jam. So I like to put a little bit of this oil in here for flavor, and then because there's a lot of oil going into these, and then I'll use, this happens to be canola, but you can use, you know, olive oil or vegetable oil or whatever. So once that starts to heat up, then we just gonna start making them like pancakes. Now, different houses and different people or different restaurants, the consistency can vary. I like mine a little more thick. I know some people like them more thin and kind of like mushy. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna flip it once here. Ooh, this one's actually coming out a little more mushy than I usually like, so I might add a little bit more flour, but let's see how these ones come out.
Do you want it kind of a little brown, or does it matter?
Yeah, not really brown.
Oh, okay.
You know, that's the thing too I've learned about, you know, Korean people. They definitely don't like to eat any burnt food because, you know, obviously it can lead to cancer, or why eat burnt food, but it's more of a, you know, like in America, stuff like that, it just doesn't seem like it's culturally embedded to, like, you know, what people do or don't about a nuance for food like that. But in Korea, it's interesting, like, I've heard it phrased, like, Korean people don't eat burnt food, you know? Yeah.
Alrighty guys, that's kind of the finished product, and that's what it should look like, a little orange. Try not to burn it, you guys.
Smile.
I'm just kind of using what we have, and I just got some soy sauce at Cub, and I'm putting a dab of the sesame oil in it. I usually use Hyumee Shikcho, but this is perfect too. It's just kind of like a rice vinegar. I just like to put a little dollop in that. We're making do with what we have in the moment, and that's what a lot about Korean cooking is too. It's not like you know, there's lots of provision depending on what ingredients you have, or, you know, fusion. You just make it work. So here, like, you know, just kind of you just kind of go like that, and everybody could just, you know, take a piece, right? Go like this, or, I mean, we could cut it with the scissors if we wanted to, but this is how I usually eat it. And the top one's going to be different. Let's see.
Why?
Because it's a little thicker. Let's do this bottom one. I don't know how these turned out.
I'm not good at these.
Let's have Mom try it first.
Does it taste authentic?
I was afraid it'd be too spicy with the kimchi, but it's not. Oh, and I didn't use the soy.
It's fine.
I'm nervous. How does it taste?
Yeah, let's have the cook taste. How's it taste? Alright, it's pretty good, guys. So, this is how you make kimchi pancakes. Is there any other last words you need to say, Lily, the cook?
No, just make and enjoy, and just, it's so simple. Just
Alright,
do it.
thanks
Try it.
guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.